Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the Xbox, unplug it, and wait 10 minutes so residual charge dissipates. This reduces shock risk. Once done, remove external panels using a Phillips and Torx T8. Keep screws organized by step. Make sure to work on a clean, static-safe surface and avoid touching circuit traces. You will see the fan assembly quickly. Handle the plastic clips gently, and don't force any connectors. This opening step sets the rest of the repair up to be smooth and safe. You now focus on the fan itself. First, inspect for dust buildup, warped blades, or foreign debris that could obstruct airflow. Next, use short bursts of compressed air and a soft brush to clear dust. For sticky grime, gently swab blades with 90% isopropyl on a lint-free cloth. Once clean, test the bearing by spinning the fan with your finger. Feel for smooth rotation and no wobble. If it grinds or stops, you'll need to replace or relubricate the bearing next. You finish by reinstalling the cleaned or new fan, ensuring the connector is seated and vents are aligned. Tighten screws evenly. Once reassembled enough to test, power the console with the case open and listen. Make sure the fan runs smoothly and noise is reduced. Run a 15-minute load test with a game to confirm temperatures stay normal. Monitor for error indicators. If noise or shutdowns persist, check the power delivery, reseat thermal pads, or replace the fan. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.